Hey folks, it's me, Jay. As most of you know, I haven't been on my bike in a while because of medical reasons, and then I've been released for about a month or so now, but it's been too hot, it's been stormy. Today it's not too hot, and I thought, let's see if I remember how to do this. Let's see how it goes, right? Let's do it.
Well, here we are. Apparently I remembered how to get on it, start it, and get it this far away from the house. I can see the Smoky Mountains in front of me. That makes me happy. Where am I going? Not a clue. Not planned. I have no idea. Funny little side note, I've been so used to being in the Jeep instead of on the bike, I catch myself almost waving to the wrong crowd today. Well, not knowing where I'm going, but so far my adventures have led me to Townsend. Didn't turn out to be just a ride around the block to get used to it again. Well, here I am. Like I said, this was a totally unplanned ride. I had no idea where I was going. I thought, I really don't like taking you guys to the same places over and over again, make you bored, but I just can't help it. Whenever I get out and I've got free time and wanting to relax, I'm just drawn to the national park. You gotta love the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. It's a Monday, and it's 9:19 in the morning, so at least we'll see how busy the park is today. There's already several cars parked here at the parking lot for the Y. It's only 68 degrees out here right now. I guess they want to get their parking spot early before it gets hot. Can't say as I blame them. Now I expect as I get into the shade here, the temperature will drop even more. Oh yeah, and the pavement's still wet from overnight. If you haven't noticed, I never come through here in a hurry. Why do that? You miss the scenery. Plus it's not safe. Beautiful day in the park too. It's clear, no rain. It's only 67 degrees. Perfect. Ah, there's some cars. Everybody's parking at the sinks already today. I learned earlier this year that if you turn left right here at this Metcalf Bottoms picnic area, but go straight through that middle, and it's Lime Springs Road, I think it's called, We'll take you back over to Wares Valley. Here's the turn to Elkmont Campground, and interestingly enough, it's the first time I've gone by that turn in a while where the sign has not said campground full. You can see here that even on the days when the park isn't as busy, if you don't get out here fairly early, you're going to have a hard time finding a parking spot for a lot of these trails. This is the Laurel Falls trailhead, and it's only 9:45 in the morning. And people are already having to park further down the road and look for other spots. Nice view of the mountains there. Well, made it to Sugar Land's Visitor Center. Normally I would stop here and take a quick break. Today I think I'm going to go on to the Gatlinburg Bypass and stop up there. I know I get some phone reception up there, and I'll stop and check my messages because I know I haven't had any cell service through this national park ride. Just here on the Gatlinburg Bypass, you see it's already gone from 67 degrees in the shade in the national park to 72, 73 here. Let's see if there's a parking spot. Nice view from up here before I take my helmet off for a minute. Let's take one last look at the scenery before we leave the bypass. Gatlinburg down there. Look real close. Maybe you'll see Will and Dawn, or Donnie and Joy. Say hi. One of the only things I don't like about riding the Gatlinburg area over here, I'm doing 42, I was doing 47. This is a 25-mile-an-hour zone. And if that's not bad enough, I got a young kid riding my butt that thinks I'm going too slow. That gets annoying. Everybody just needs to stay off the phone, slow down, enjoy the scenery, and enjoy your time out here. Alright, the end of the Gatlinburg Bypass. Getting onto the spur. On into Pigeon Forge from here. And there he goes. Honestly, I had a weed eater that sounded better than that. coming off the spur and in the Pigeon Forge. Generally don't like hitting this main strip in the Pigeon Forge in the summertime on a bike. Doesn't seem bad right now at all. It's Monday morning though. Just decided, let's go in the Patriot Park this morning and see what it looks like in there. The bike's reading 79.7 degrees now. That's quite a jump in a few short minutes. And I can feel it in the sunshine burning down on my jacket. They're all out looking for food, aren't they? Jeez. Nothing like getting dive bombed. Let's go up to Teaster. What's possessed me to ride around Pigeon Forge today? I have no idea. I won't be able to do it for too long. It's going to get too hot in this jacket. I'm going to have to get back out somewhere pretty soon where I can get a good breeze. I'm not going to stop at this shopping center over here to my right. It's got the Coleman outlet. It's the Mountain Mile. A lot of good places in there. If you get a chance, stop into Appalachian Apparel Company. Some really nice t-shirts in there. Good quality. It's only 10:30, or I'd look for some place to have lunch over here. The bike's starting to think it's warm out here too. Just heard the fan come on. Okay, starting to sweat now. Oh yay! We get to sit through another one. I was beginning to wonder if I'd be able to. Okay, so after being stuck in traffic for a little while in Pigeon Forge, I'm finally back out of the main traffic and on my way back towards Townsend on Wears Valley Road. Well, here we are on Wears Valley Road. I thought I had ended this already, but just to show you that even when you get out of Pigeon Forge and think that you've escaped the traffic there, you never know what you're going to come up on. And I don't know if there's road work ahead. I don't know if there's an accident ahead. But we're almost a complete standstill on Wears Valley Road. How far up does it go? No clue. Still stuck in traffic on Wears Valley Road and still have no idea what's going on. This is another good reason you should always make sure you've got plenty of gas in your vehicle. And your vehicle's in good enough shape to sit in the hot weather for a little while. Alright, there must be an accident ahead. I can see in my rearview mirror a tow truck trying to come up beside all of us. Trying to make room for him here. Alright. After being stuck in traffic for quite a while, it looks like I'm finally making it up to the area where the accident was, or whatever's going on. clear of that. Thankfully, it looked like a minor accident. And I'm going to continue to move on and get some air, cool off, and head towards Towns and get some gas on the way home. Well, here we are back in Maryville, in about Maryville High School. It's a few minutes before noon. There's quite a long hot wait stuck in that traffic back in Pigeon Forge and Wares Valley, so looking forward to getting out of this jacket, drinking some iced tea, and maybe making a sandwich. Well, the morning started off really nice and cool, great ride, and then as it got closer to this afternoon, it got hot, and the traffic got thick. Well, I hope you all have a good day, have a good week, stay safe, and see you all again soon.